Here I have Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Keep holding power button, let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to insert the SIM and SD card. So let's start by using the slot for the Nano SIM card. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device, so let's just simply use some Thumber Toggle special eject tool to open this tray. Let's press it into this hole right here, and now you can remove the whole thing from your device. As simple as that. Let me just put my phone right here, and this is the tray which you have to use to insert here the Nano SIM. Let's insert the Nano SIM right here with the characteristic edge right here. Now let's put the whole thing into your device. Let's press it to the end. I just accidentally switched on my device, but it doesn't matter. Now let me open the tray for the SD card. So let's use the Thumber tag one more time. And let's open the whole tray. This is the second tray, and as you can see here, you can insert the SD card and also the second Nano SIM. But in my case, let me just use the SD card. This is my SD card, and let's put the whole thing right here. Let me show you one more time. This is the properly prepared slot, and let's push it to the end. Excellent. So now if you have the pin protection, you have to enter your pin. Let me do it. Let's tap OK, and let me show you that both cards works properly on this device. So let's choose settings. Here let's choose connections and choose SIM card manager. As you can see, the device is reading our SIM card, so it's a good sign. We've got only one SIM card inserted. Let's go back, and this time let me find and select the storage options. So let's choose general management. Sorry, not here. Let's choose, of course, the device maintenance and choose storage. As you can see, the device is reading our SD card, so everything went well. You just insert the SD card and you can use the external storage, and you just install the SIM card on your phone. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.